Hello my friends, you all are welcome to Future World Kids Education channel. Before we start our video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. My dear friends, today we will learn capital letter Z and its sound Z. You must follow the lips movement. Let's start. Z. Capital letter is Z and its sound is Z. 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 Z says Z. Repeat after me. Z says Z. Z. Zebra. Z. Zebra. Z says Z. The sound of capital letter Z is Z. 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 Zebra. Z. Zebra. Once again say, yes, very good. Z. What sound is this? Z. Zebra. Z. Zebra. Z. Zebra. Z. Zebra. Z. Z. My friends, once again repeat the sound. Z. Zebra. Z. Zebra. Thanks for watching this video.